guys, today is July 14, 2025, Monday, and it's currently 5:29 a.m. So I'm gonna be taking a bath now and I'm gonna eat. So ayun, I'll get back to you guys now later. Hey guys, it's 5:54 a.m. Primer, Inars. Next, concealer, L'Oreal. Eyebrows.
Okay, for the first question, can you describe the weather today in just a few words, and please tell me why you chose it?
Gloomy. Because it's sad.
It's what?
It's sad.
Oh. What's your current mood right now?
Nervous.
Why? Why are you nervous?
We will present.
Oh. You're presenting right now. And thank you for a wonderful answer. That is all for our interview. Once again, I'm Risando Gutierrez, reporting live here at Quezon City Science High School. Hot or cold, story
Forecast for each week. Make sure to bring your umbrella whether to protect yourself from the rain or cold. This is your female forecast. This is your female newscaster. Dylan Cases, Eagle Valley.
Cut. Thank you po, and that is all for
Okay, trying. Over.
Calling internet. Police are encouraging citizens to stay indoors after dark and please.
Galing. Mag-iis ko bol. Ay, di ba? Sis? Ano nangyayari? Lord.
Good morning, I'm Risando Gutierrez.
Mr. Gutierrez, can you tell us what your question?
I saw a guy wearing a black jacket walking slowly. I think he has a knife. He has a knife, and I was actually sitting beside the guy who was killed, and he stabbed him a lot, like really a lot, like a lot where he bleed a lot and they died a lot.
So, did you see what the killer was like?
I think he has a boxy, like a Minecraft type of head. There were kind of a mid part, but 70%, 30%.
May percentage yung buhok na eh.
For the last question, did you notice anything off or unusual?
I don't think I noticed something unusual, but maybe the way he walked, because he walked very suspiciously because he made no sound at all.
So, thank you, Mr. Gutierrez.
That is all for our presentation.
Over.
So, the police are still investigating.
Sige, magabulan kayo dito. Sige. Sige, magabulan. Oh!
Arrest your main side. Anything you say will and can get used against you. You have the right to attorney, and if you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you.
talaga siyang criminal, te.
Hey, what are you doing here without my without his lawyer? So give him a proper that is not from the government. Let's go, Mr. Ravina.
Grabe na. Grabe na. Grabe na.
Give us welcome to number 1 and let's give them a round of applause.
It is a calm afternoon in Christiana's house. The freshly cooked food fills up the entire room. But Dean seems to be curled up on the sofa, slightly coughing and looking pale. Christiana, her mother, calls her to the dining table, unaware of her condition.
Lian, the food is ready. Come here and let's eat na. Don't let the food waiting. That's bad.
What happened, Lian? Why are you under the weather again? I know, rainy, right?
Have you seen Dr. Morales? We don't see her. Where?
Sorry for the inconvenience. There was an emergency in your room. Looking for medicine for the eyes.
Good day, ma'am. Are you looking for a medicine? I have your Opti Eye Plus. It has lutein and zeaxanthin. Good for your eyesight. May I?
Excuse me, madam, I have something much better for you. Eye Bright Max. This doesn't only have vitamin A, but also has proteins that can make your eyes brighter, stronger, and even clearer.
Are you stealing my Excella?
Are you threatened?
Bring it on.
If you have preview protection, madam, this is perfect for you. Pwede para daw spot treatment sa mga mata mo, madam. This can be your spot treatment sa mga mata mo every minute, every second, anytime, anywhere. What about yours?
Opti Eye Plus. If you buy this, you get a free eyeglass. Not only that, it has anti-UV rays, anti-blindness, anti-poor eyesight, anti-blurriness, anti-laceration, yung ginkgo biloba E.
Hindi naman kailangan ng ginkgo biloba dito, Steph.
Ha? Ano naman pinagsasabi nyo? Eye drops ang kailangan ko, hindi vitamins. Hindi mo naman sa kabila.
Eye drops. Mami, mas magkakot na kaming product. Gusto mo bumili? You want?
They continue to fight, but Shania walks away because she feels overwhelmed.
Oh,
Ano, saan nanggagaling ang magnetic field? What part of your
outer core.
Ano meron doon? Ano current? Yung electric current. Kasi yung outer core is made out of ice.
Saan ka naman pagkasasap mo?
Epi, Neso, Batil, Abiso, Hadada. Sunlight, twilight, midnight, abyss, trench.
Sino-check naman ang kabila section?
Uy! Magpapakamatay na ako bukas. Wala kayo pwede na litrato. Wow, HD 4K. It's for my vlog. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Ang galing. Ang galing.
Ngayong hapon ang mga bumubuo ng lupon ng pagtugutan o sa Ingles ng radio broadcasting, Jody Morales. Ang kanyang kapatugod sa radio broadcasting, Gian Manala.
Nanalo kami 100. Paghati na namin to. Hindi. Susuklihan kita. Ay, 100 din yung pera ko.
Pwede ko taba ako sa bahay. Meron nata.
Sa bag mo? Oo. Ibo ka mo. Ay, hindi gaganon.
Shania Pauline Emaas, Brent Joshua Ravina, Julian John August Benedicto, Dylan Ainsley Asuncion, at syempre ang... Yan, marami tayong mga radio broadcasters. Okay, marami.
It's for my vlog again. Saan may angle, bro? Ayan na. Pakademanding.
So, gutom na kami. Tapos, batak na batak pa mag-training. Ganon.
Over. Tingnan po naman ko. Over naman sa rin. Okay, let's go. Ito na ang uling araw na makikita mo ako dito. Last meal, last SM, last training, last kisay. Ano ba?
Last test sa Earth Science.